According to the National Electrical Code, or NEC, the minimum number of circuits required for a bathroom depends on the size of the bathroom and the number of fixtures and appliances it contains. For a bathroom that is 100 square feet or less, the NEC requires at least 2 circuits. Firstly, one 20-amp circuit for lighting and general use receptacles, and secondly, one 20-amp circuit for a bathroom exhaust fan and other fixed appliances, such as a hairdryer or curling iron. For bathrooms larger than 100 square feet, the NEC requires one additional 20-amp circuit for every additional 100 square feet of floor area. Therefore, a large master bathroom that likely exceeds 100 square feet would need at least 3 circuits. Firstly, one 20-amp circuit for lighting and general use receptacles. Secondly, one 20-amp circuit for a bathroom exhaust fan and other fixed appliances. And thirdly, one additional 20-amp circuit for the jacuzzi tub ground fault interrupter, or GFI. Additionally, the NEC requires that GFI outlets be installed in bathrooms within 6 feet of any sink or bathtub. Therefore, there would also need to be a GFI outlet for the counter outlets. To summarize, yes, multiple runs are needed for a bathroom, especially a large master bathroom. Here is a summary of the minimum number of circuits required for a bathroom. According to the NEC, firstly, a bathroom 100 square feet or less requires 2 circuits. Secondly, a bathroom larger than 100 square feet requires 3 circuits. Thirdly, ground fault interrupter outlets within 6 feet of any sink or bathtub requires 1 additional circuit for each ground fault interrupter outlet. It is important to note that these are just the minimum requirement. Additional circuits may be needed if there is a particularly large bathroom or if there are a lot of fixtures and appliances.